Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of really kind of just illustrating things in a straightforward fashion. The first update here that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So yesterday I did the video on Monday and talked about this area right up around 255-ish as support, but you can see right up here when the price did break below it, that is essentially what created this flush to the downside. Now, to give credit where credit's due, it's not like things continue to flush the entire day long. The price finally stabilized and started to go sideways here. But nonetheless, as far as technical rules are concerned, 255 would be one of the newest areas of support. Before you start to focus and doing battle on that one, though, in the near term, right around 230 is going to be that first hurdle that needs to be cleared. If you go through the history of today, you can see there was a high right there that got rejected, and then later on in the afternoon, once again was rejected there. So again, yes, 255 is indeed a level of resistance, but before you start talking about doing battle with that one, the price first needs to prove itself by getting back up above the 230-ish mark. As far as supports are concerned, a couple you could watch. There is this little miniature uptrending trend line here in the short run, but in the event the price drops below there, it's not like it's the end of the world or anything like that, because you then have the purple line down there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above that area, as long as the price does stay up above it, that implies that the overall trend, the overall drift, if you will, of the price is upwards, and that's what you want to see, assuming you are along. So yeah, the price did pull back today, but from the bigger picture of things, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and as long as higher bases are being put into place over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.